Assalamu alaikum. If you have any problem related to boils, sores, maybe some allergy in different area, any skin disease, you can apply this dua. This dua is Sunnah, and this is the very effective dua. Inshallah, it will relieve your problem of skin disease, inshallah, by this dua. How you will do this dua, I will show you practically. First of all, take some saliva with your index finger. This is the index finger from the right hand. Just take the saliva. You can take more saliva. If you have more skin disease, you can take the more saliva. The amount of skin disease you have, you will take such amount of saliva. I will take saliva, and then I will put this hand in the soil, in the mud. And if you have if you are living in the village area, then you can use the ground soil, earth soil, or if you are in the city area, you can use the top. Here is the mud or the soil. So again, I am repeating. I am just take the saliva and put my index finger with the saliva to the soil, and then I recite this dua 3 times. Bismillāhi, turbatu ardhinā, biriqat yushfā, saqīmunā, idhni Rabbinā. Bismillāhi, turbatu ardhinā, biriqat yushfā, saqīmunā, idhni Rabbinā. Bismillāhi, turbatu ardhinā, biriqat yushfā, saqīmunā, idhni Rabbinā. Just this dua 3 times, and then this saliva will mix with the soil, and then put this soil in area where you have problem in the skin disease. Inshallah, skin disease will be relieved. You can do this 3 times in a day. You can continue this dua 3 days or 7 days. Inshallah, your skin disease will be relieved. And sometimes it will happen, and then some insects may bite you instantly, but you have no soil with you. So that time you can instantly do this. Just take only the saliva, and then dua 3 times, and then put the place where the insect bites. And this dua is especially with the soil. Just take this, put your hand in the soil, and then recite this dua 3 times, and place the and insert the area. Jazakumullah khair.